Who do we have here? Aren't you just a happy guy? Yeah. Look at you. Such a friendly little pooch. Come on. Say hello. There you go. Well, look at you. You can't see it, but he's giving me a barrel roll. He likes me. And here he comes. And knowing full well they don't like socks. No, they don't like clothing. It means absolutely nothing to them. Come on up. Come on. Say hello. That's my boy. Yeah. There he is again. You want a toe? You want to touch the human? You can if you want to. Look at you. You're such a big guy. Yeah. Oh, sit still. Well. I know you're curious. Yes, I do.